This video is about further addition, where we have 3 digits in each of the numbers. This question is, what is 457 plus 210? Again, the first thing we must do is set this out correctly. Here it is set out correctly, with the units above each other, the tens and the hundreds. Again, I just add the units together first. 7 plus 0 is still 7. Then the tens, 5 plus 1 is 6. And then the hundreds, 4 plus 2 is 6. So my answer is 667. Here are 2 further addition sums that have already been set out. So for the first one, again, I add my units first. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then I add 5 plus 2, my tens, to become 7. And then I add my hundreds. 8 plus 2 is 10. So I put the 0 below the hundreds, and then the 1 goes into the thousands column. So this is 1079. Now, for the third example, we're going to have 5 plus 2 is 7, 0 plus 9 is 9, 6 plus 7 is 13, so I put the 3 there and carry the 1.